Hello there, PrivacyDuck family. My name is Will McAdam, co-founder of PrivacyDuck.com, and this is our free video series on how to opt yourself out of all these people search websites out there. And today we're going to be focusing on one of my personal favorites, Axiom, and that is going to be spelled ACXIOM.com. Now, you may have heard of this company or not. It is one of the bigger people search companies in the background doing mostly business to business, which means they sell your information to other people search companies like White Pages and Tellius and so forth. So it's very important to make sure you're deleted from these fine people over here in your broader quest and privacy. And it's also important to note really quick in full disclosure that we are in no way affiliated with Axiom or any other people search company. So let's go ahead and get started with these guys. What you will need to opt yourself out, you will need to go and get yourself a email address for the purposes of doing that. I've covered that in other videos, and there is a video on a YouTube channel about that as well. Today we're using Proton Mail. But an email will be the only thing you will need to opt yourself out. So first thing you will do is head over to Axiom's specific opt-out page, and the link will be in the description of this video. But we'll go ahead and do that right now here. And that is going to be ISAPPS Axiom.com/opt-out / opt-out.aspx, and that is what will take us to the lovely Axiom opt-out form. Now, as I said at the top of this video, they are a company that has several different marketing products out there, for physical junk mail you get, to telemarketing calls, to email spam. So I always recommend that you choose all three of these options here to opt out of Axiom's marketing for mailing, phone, and email. You can do it for yourself. That's what we're doing right now, or an individual that you have custody over, or a deceased member. But anyway, so let's just do this for yourself and go over this process here. What you're going to be doing is clicking on this little green box right here. I'll go back here. This little green plus sign that's right here. Go ahead and click on that, and that's what will expand the fields so you can type in them. So go ahead and we're just going to use an example person here of a John S. Smith. And same thing, click on the green for phone number. Do your area code first, and then tab over to do the rest. Once you've done that, click add. Do the same thing for an email address. And also do the same thing for your mailing address. Now, once you enter a mailing address, it will come up with a suggested U.S. postal version of that. So go ahead and select that, and then click submit at that point in time. Now, at this point, Axiom will be asking for a confirmation email address from you. Like I said, we made one of those earlier. I documented that earlier. It's going to be Karen Sherwood at protonmail.com. So I'm copying that email address back over here. Go ahead and type in the CAPTCHA. If you need to reload that, if you can't read something here, click on this little reload icon, and that will give you a new CAPTCHA. But once that's done, go ahead and click on the yellow submit button. And there you go. So you'll see that you're going to be getting a confirmation email sent to you in a couple minutes, which usually comes pretty fast, but we'll see where it's at here. And once we get that, we'll go ahead and click on that link. Okay, it takes us about 1 minute here, but we found that. So go ahead the link will look like this. The email will say consumer opt-out verification. It will come from no reply opt-out at axiom.com. So go ahead and click on that. And then usually this link will be, that you'll need to click on will be an actual clickable link, a hyperlink. Occasionally it comes through where it's just plain text like that, and you can't click on it. So if that happens, go ahead and select it, just copy it, and come back to your browser window and paste it in there, it will still be yours because of this little token code you see right here. But this will bring you to one final CAPTCHA, and this is the last one you have to do. And again, if you cannot read it, go ahead and refresh it there. But once you've entered that, go ahead and click on Submit. And this will be your confirmation and a reference number as well. You can expect to be off of Axiom systems, email marketing, mail, and phone roughly in about 30 days for everything to take effect with that, because that has to cycle through some systems of theirs as well. So that is how you opt out of Axiom. Thank you so much for watching this video. Feel free to go back to our YouTube channel or to PrivacyDuck.com to explore our free opt-out services or the paid opt-out services where we do the same work on your behalf. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get a hold of us at 415-320-1845 or at services@PrivacyDuck.com. Please also like, comment, and subscribe, or head over and sign up for our free This Week in Privacy newsletter, where we tell you all the latest things happening in the ever-changing, exciting space-age world of opt-outs. So thank you once again. Much love to you all, and see you around the internet soon. Bye-bye.